Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So if you're a kind of person who run any business offline or work as a freelancer online, so you should have a portfolio website. So portfolio website is something which defines your business or yourself to a person or a customer who search for you online. So having a portfolio website gives a good impact to your customer. So for this video, I'm going to use the Hostinger, and a big thanks to the Hostinger for sponsoring this video and making this video possible for all of you. So what all you need to do is simply have a smartphone and follow along with me. So with the help of this video, you can build any sort of the portfolio website, e-commerce website, or any other type of the website on the WordPress using your smartphone only. So you don't need any PC or laptop. You just have to follow along with me, and you also have your own website with the help of your smartphone. Okay, so I'm going to use the Kali Linux for this video. I'm going to run the Kali Linux with the Hello Termex, and later on I'm going to use the Kali Linux to build this website. So if you know that how to run the Kali Linux using the official method given by the Kali Linux itself, so just go to this time step that you can see here. Just go and just start from there. And if you don't know how to install the Kali Linux and run it, so just follow along with me from here. Okay, so this is for those who don't want to waste their time and start from the main part. And if you don't know how to run the Kali Linux, just go along with me from now. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting any more time.
So here you can see guys, I'm on my smartphone. So as I told you earlier that for this you need a PC, but for this video I'm going to show you that how can you build a website with the help of your smartphone only. So now I'm going to install another operating system on my Android phone. So you can use the Windows or the Linux. So for this video I'm going to use the Kali Linux, and I will use that to build a website for me. Now the next thing, you have to go to the description, you'll find a link. Just open it. It will open to this website. Just slide down, click on this store.nethunter.com, click on download store app, click on OK, click on open, click on install, click on open. Now just slide down and find the NetHunter CAX. Here it is. Click on this, click on the install, and here you can see installing it. Now you can see the NetHunter CAX is installed. So one thing I would also like to tell you here is that after installing NetHunter CAX, just go back and install the Termex from this app only, because on the Play Store there will not any official update of the Termex given. Okay, so just install the Termex from this app, so you will get the latest version of the Termex. So if in the case you face any problem, just uninstall the Termex and install the Termex from here, and then restart the whole process again. Now go back, open the Termex, just type here apt hyphen get upgrade, hit enter. It's upgraded fully. Now click on this again. Now type here apt-get update. Okay, hit enter. Now the next thing you have to do is simply go back to this site. Just click on back and come back to this site. Just slide down, start copying these commands. So just copy and paste this command to the Termex. It's very easy. Click on allow. Now go back. Now copy the second command. Paste it here. Hit enter. Click on Y. Hit enter. Now go back to the website again. Copy the next command. Paste it here. Enter. Now the next thing you have to do, just go back to the site, copy this command again, the next one, paste it into the Termex, hit enter. Now just type here ls to see the file. Now it's green, which means now we can run this file. So just click on this, go back and just copy this one and come back to Termex and paste it here. So here you have to wait for a while. So just let the download will complete. Now click on this, type Y. So it will start the downloading process of the Kali Linux image file. So just wait here and make sure that you don't have any unstable internet connection. So have a stable internet connection and just leave your phone for a while and let the download process to complete. So here it will ask you to delete the downloaded rootfs file. So what I will suggest, simply type here n and hit enter. So just make a backup of it. Now what you have to do here is simply type here NetHunter space kex space PASSWD password and hit enter. It will ask for a password. Just give a password here. I will give my name Swapnil. You can give any password. Hit enter. Now type the password again, Swapnil. Hit enter. Now type here n, that is no, and hit enter. Now what you have to do the next, now simply type here the command NetHunter kex, and so just type it here and hit enter. So it will start the Kali Linux VNC server. Here you can see. So you can use this port number to connect to the desktop of the Kali Linux. So just copy this port number. Now open the NetHunter kex app. Here you can see. Click on allow. Type here the address, that is 127.0.0.1 and then colon and give here 1. Now here just give the port number, that was 5901, and now just click on the connect. Even you have to give the password, that is this Swapnil. Okay, now click on the connect. Now you can see you are inside the Kali Linux. So just make sure that you have to type the local host address, that is 127.0.0:1, and then on the port number just type 5901, and at the place of the password just give the password that you typed earlier on the Termux app. Now you can see you're on the Kali Linux. Now simply click on this and open the web browser. Okay, so you will find the Mozilla Firefox, which comes pre-installed in it. Now click on this. Okay, on the search the web. Now we are going to use the Hostinger for this purpose. So we are going to buy the hosting plan from the Hostinger and a domain from the Hostinger. Okay, so just search your Hostinger and click on this hostinger.in and click on the full screen to make it full screen. Okay, so what you have to do here is simply have to slide down. So here you'll find all the web hosting plan from the Hostinger. So here you can see the single web hosting plan, the premium web hosting plan, and the business web hosting plan. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to buy the premium web hosting plan. So with the help of the premium web hosting plan, you can just host 100 websites and you will get the 100 GB of SSD storage, and even it can handle the profile widgets of 25,000 per month, and you will get the free email, a business email, and a free SSL, a free domain, and unlimited bandwidth, and all the other important benefit of this plan, that is the 30-day money back guarantee and unlimited database and Git access and SSH access. Okay, so simply click on the add to cart. So it will open something like this. So you can select the plan for the 12 month or for the 24 month or for the 48 month. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the plan of 12 month, and here you can see the total price for the 12-month plan is the 3,526. Okay, so this will be the charge for the 12-month plan, and it will cost you around 249 rupees per month. And even you can type a coupon code Swapnil7, you will get another 7% of discount here. Okay, so here you can see I'm applying my coupon, and now you can see there is a discount of the price. Now you have to only pay 3,279. Okay, so you can use my coupon to get the extra 7% discount on this plan, and even you will get a free domain here. So simply slide down and just give here a domain name. Like I want to build my portfolio website, so I will type here Swapnil. Later on you can use the .in extension, .com or .tech or any other. Okay, so you can get a free domain with this plan also. And now you have to simply click on the checkout and then create an account and pay the money, and you will have the hosting plan along with the website or a domain. So here you can see guys, I bought this domain, that is swapnilsrivastava.in, and also I have a hosting plan of the premium hostinger plan. Okay, so what you have to do after buying the plan and the domain, just go to the hosting. Okay, now you will see your domain there, like here the swapnilsrivastava.in. Now go to the manage. Okay, and click on the finish registration. So it may be possible that it will firstly open to this page. There you have to give your name, your email address, your mobile number and your home address, and after that click on the finish registration. So it will take little bit time. Now you can see, now click on the continue. So it will open to you this page. Now your domain is registered. Now the next thing you have to do, go to the hosting. Okay, now go to the manage again. What you have to do here, simply slide down and you will find all the features of the hostinger. So basically this is the hostinger cPanel, and they just summarized every important thing or tools related to your website. You can simply use it from here. Now simply slide down, and here you have to click on this auto installer. Now select the WordPress here. What it will do, it will install the WordPress on your website. So you can see, you can give your username, your WordPress admin ID, password. So just remember these two things, and then you have to click on install. So let me type it here. So here you can see I given the name and the password, and even when you will slide down, you can find that you can also select the different version of the WordPress, and you can change all the things according to your need, and then you have to click on the install. Now here you can see, so now my website has the WordPress installed on it. Now what I will do, I will go to the hosting. Okay, and I will click on the edit website. Now I will go to the edit website here. So you can see it's opening the WordPress for me. So here you can simply go to the appearance in the theme, and you can search for the add new theme, and here you can, on the search theme option, you can select any theme. Like I want to build a portfolio site, so I will type here portfolio and hit enter. Here you can see these are some different portfolio theme available here. So I will select this one. I will click on the install. Now here you can see it's installed. Now you have to click on the activate. It will activate the theme on your site. You can go to your site. So you can see this is the theme. Go to the appearance, go to the theme, and now you have to click on the customize, and from here you can change everything about this theme, like the title of this theme or this website. You can simply edit it, and you can simply click on this to change the site identity, header image, background image, and even you can go to the header setting, and here you will find all the different options regarding the header setting. You can go to the footer setting, so you can change everything, and even you can go on this option to see how this website will look on a mobile device, and you can select this one to see how it will open on the any desktop or a PC. So you can change anything, edit everything. You can just upload your own logo, or even you can change the title, you can change this header position, and you can change every single thing here. Even you can see there is an option to edit it directly from here. You can click on this to edit this widget. So you can do a lot of the thing, and all of this thing can be done with this smartphone. So you don't need to have a PC for this, and this all thing can become possible because of the Hostinger. So thanks Hostinger for sponsoring this video. So you don't need to have a PC for this. You can simply use this trick and install and just choose a hostinger plan, buy it, or even you can use another hosting platform. But what I will prefer, you choose the hostinger, because I'm using from a last 2 year and their plans are very cheap. So this is very much suitable for those who have a very limited budget. They can use the hostinger, just buy a plan, and even you can use my coupon code, that is the Swapnil7, to get additional 7% discount. And even you can go to description, you will find my affiliate link. Just go and buy from this if you want to support this channel. So whatever the plan you will buy, I will also get some sort of the commission for this. Okay, so if you want to support this channel, just go to description, you'll find the affiliate link to buy this plan, or even you can go to the official site and just select a plan and just give my coupon code and get additional 7% discount. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to click on the like button and press the subscribe button, so whenever I upload any video you will get notified directly. So just to close it, simply click on this close button, click on the close tabs. Okay, and just click on this, click on the disconnect. Now go back to the Termex, and what you have to do here is that simply type your net hunter stop. Okay, hit enter. So it will start the VNC server of the Kali Linux. Now go back to your home screen, and now you can directly just click on this and exit the Termex from here. So thanks for watching with this video. Have a good day, good luck, bye, take care.